apply and save. This you can also do it by editing XML. If you find this as difficult, you can click on edit, choose source to edit, and here you can directly copy paste your search query on each panel wherever it is applicable to get the client IP from the text box that we have created. That is our second filter, that is text box. Let us create a drop down. So this is drop down, checkbox, radio button, multiple select. You have many options. You can choose whichever you want, and the configuration is almost similar. This will be our, I'll choose for source itself, select source, drop down example, and I'll select this token as drop down value. This should be without spaces, so drop down value. The default value, you can define it here. Give me all the sources. This is the display value, and this is the argument that is passed for your search. So this will be my default value, and I'll add this IP number 1, that is 87.194.216.51, which is as part of our previous search criteria. You can also add IP number 2, and you can give any IP used to something like this, whichever you choose to give it as, and you can click on apply, and you can choose by default which value to select, all or first IP or the second IP which we have selected here. As you can see, we have defined these values as part of static options. In future tutorials, we'll see how we can generate these values as part of our dynamic filters. For now, static values, we have added 3, all that represent star, IP1 represents some specific IP, and any number of IPs can be followed upon. By default, I'll choose all, and I'll click on apply. Save this. We know that even though we have added a filter, it doesn't respond to our dashboard yet because we are not processing those information. As I re-enter the default value, that is star, we'll get all the information that we are looking for, and we'll see how to accept this drop down value. This is our token. We are again passing our client IP itself as part of our drop down. The token definition is almost similar. Here we give the token as source. For our text box, for drop down, we are giving it as drop down value. Click on apply. So here we have all the source. Let me choose IP1, submit. As you can see, we have got only results of IP1. In the similar way, you can edit all these dashboards and add your drop downs respectively. At any point of time, these dashboards can be customized. If you don't need any of these filters, you can just click on remove and it will be gone. This is one of the major benefits of Splunk, which makes it more customizable as per the needs, and whenever it is not necessary, you can just delete these filters and rebuild your dashboard probably in a better fashion.